Hello everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this KitchenAid espresso machine here. So this machine was having trouble brewing a good shot of espresso. It's just leaking from the bottom, not producing like a full serving of espresso, and the customer complained that it was clogged. So what I did is I gave this machine a full tune-up, removed the brew unit, cleaned it out. I removed the screen from inside of the brew unit and scrubbed that, replaced it, and I also found this broken gasket inside while I was doing that. This just sits behind the brew unit where the inlet valve is. So I replaced that gasket, cleaned out the rest of the machine, cleaned out the milk system, took it apart, everything. So you can see here, this part here will open up. There we go. So I removed this, cleaned it out. And yeah, so I'm just going to pull a shot to show you that everything's working. Let's just do an espresso. So there we have our shot of espresso. As you can see, everything's working great. No leaking from the bottom. Yeah, that's about it for this video. So if you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.